Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking ring. This is an awesome device and this is called Ring Air and is done by a company called Ultrahuman. Now I have to mention a few things in a different way and then we will go next. Remember that when you are ordering this, you will get a demo ring first. Do not think that you got ripped off on any way. So you have to open this first. And then once you open it, you will get a little box, something like this. And inside of it, you will get different ring size. So it will be presented something like this to you. They have different colors. And then you have different ring sizes. Now, you have to use this for 2 days. You have to wear the proper one. Now, there are different ring sizes, something like I'm grabbing the number 12. Now, when I put it on this finger, you can see that it doesn't go in. But if I put it on one of my other fingers, it goes in nicely. Now, you have to wear this for at least 48 hours. During the daytime, your hand will change their shape and it will be a little bit thicker. At night it will be a little bit slimmer. So you have to make sure that you have the proper number, and in that way you can get the proper ring. And then it doesn't matter which color you will get, which is these ones. Then you will be able to process and know exactly, okay, I'm going to get this one or the black one. Whichever one you're going to ask for, they will ship it to you. But it is mandatory to get this and wear it so you know exactly which size is going to be the proper one for you. So if it gets stuck, it's not good. The one that is going to be a little bit loose is the one that you need to get. And this way you're going to wear it. And you can see that there is a little spot right there. And then this way, even if your finger do swell up a little bit, it is not going to be stuck to your finger. So in this case, if I take number 13 and this ring, you can see that it goes all the way. But when I have to make a fist, it is a little bit tough. So you need to get a little bit bigger than that and wear it. And this is nice and loose, but make sure it doesn't come out. So that's why you need to get the proper one. Now, when that is done, you have to reply back to your email or to their website, and they will be able to ship you a proper package with something like this. Now I haven't opened mine yet, so let's just rip it out and open it. And this is how this part will look. Yes, you will have a nice big box inside of it. They make it in a way so it doesn't get damaged. And once you get it, this is how it really looks. Now while we are unboxing this, I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video up. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We'll have to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. In here are all the components that are part of this box. You will get this paper that will just walk you through on what you have got, and on the other side of it, it will tell you what this really is. It also comes with this nice looking little pamphlet going inside. Is the user manual on how you will be able to play with this. Everything is in there, and there are some more little papers like how to get started. This is mandatory to process, something like what you need to get on your phone, also how you will be able to charge it, going inside of it, what each indicator means, and it's actually been explained to you very nicely, and then go into the back part of it, what apps it should show on your phone itself, and then also how to charge Ring Air. This is how it looks. So everything has been explained to you. You do not need to know anything else. It's just 2 pages and that's about it. Now it also comes with this little package. You have to open it on one side, and inside of it you will be getting your wire for charging, and it is been wrapped really nicely. I have to mention that this is a USB Type-C. You gotta open it this way, I believe. Trying to get it as fast as possible. So I really like it that it has been threaded, as you can see, and it is USB Type-C to USB Type-C. The next thing is the docking station. Now I really like how this has been designed, and you do have the part, and it is ring, but one side is, you can see that it has a little cut, which is how you're going to place it. And the bottom part of it is really nice too. It has a little part, so when you put it on the actual table, it doesn't move that much. And then the USB Type-C, where you're going to connect for it to get your ring charged. And at the back of it, it does have some writing. As you can see, it does say that this is the Ultrahuman Ring charging dock. It does come with 2 stickers, and you can see that it has been raising up. It's really cool. You can place this anywhere you like. And then the big moment is the ring itself. This is how it's been designed. You can see the writings are in there. It tells you the actual company name. And then the model number is also written there. And going on one side of it is the chip. Looks like a nice PCBA has been placed here. I really like that. But once you go around, you can see that that part is the one that has the cut, and the other side is not. So now if I have to put a finger, it nicely goes through. And when I look at it on this side, you can see that there is a little gap, which is really cool. So that way we can wear it where I have another ring. And also you can take it out, put it on your little one, or you can take it out, put it on your big one. Now it doesn't fit here. So what I wanted it was to be on this finger. So this is where we're going to wear it in order to play with it. So in the getting ready, or in this case called getting started, there is one part that will talk to you about the QR code. So let's go ahead and scan that and see what exactly happening. So we have to position it on the camera itself, and then it will give you a link. So we have to select it. It automatically takes you to a screen that says to install this app. So we will click install. Once the installation is done, we will open it. So this is a very first time. We will press OK, allow, and now it says to getting ready to connect. So we will click on connect, and then it says to sign in. So we will just use our Google sign in. There you go. Now we will connect the ring, and now it's looking for it. So it says to connect the power to the docking station, which we already done. And then it says to click continue. There you go. So it has that color, as you can see. Same thing over here. And then we say to continue. And now it says to put the ring on it. So make sure that you place it properly, and we will connect it. And now it says that once it going to breathe like that, we have to say yes, allow. And now it is going to get the same colors, and it already found it. We will select the device, and then we say pair, waiting for it. There you go, connected. So now it says start my journey. We will click on it. We will select that stay chill enabled, and there are some other modes over here that says to have it on. So this is the one that we will select on. There you go. And then we're going to go back, and we will say allow. All right, so you have welcome screen, so we will say dismiss, and then it says to set up. So there's no data right now because we just set it up, but there are a lot of parts over here that you can play with. So we will give it a day or two, and then we will get back to you on how it is. Now for the ring, once you developed some time and you're wearing it, this way you can test it. So I already have it for a few days on. And once I go to it, this is what I really see as on the main page. So going from profile, you have your main profile that you can set up, and then you can go through it. Now, that's not the only part. If you have to, see it's loading right now. And then when you go to the other part, you can set up different zones, and then you can also set up other products that they have. You can also go and set up some other settings, so this way you can play with it more. You can see that right now it's downloading all of the apps that I have on my ring, so that we just connect it. But once you go to the main part, this is what you should see. So I have all of the products over here. It will tell you exactly what they're doing. But once you go here, this is what I really like, as it shows you movement. But once you tap on it, it takes you more in detail, and it will talk to you about it, that what you have done, how much you have done, why this is happening. everything is there for you. Now, if it is less, of course, it will make sense. But once you go to it, this is more parts that they will talk to you about. And then when you go here is talking about sleep. So when you click on it, this is how it will be divided in pieces. So there's 2 days that you can go. This is the day one. You can see that it shows that I was sleeping about 8.5 hours. I wish. Again, I just had to pretend. Some of the time you can tell that how much is going to be deep sleep and how much is not. And this will really tell you exactly what's happening. So for some of these things, it's really cool that even if you want to test this and you want to take some nap, it will tell you everything in detail. And slowly you can go and learn it on what you should do, how you should do. Even tips and turns, it will actually tell you. There you go, light sleep is there too, that how many hours. Deep sleep is only 2 hours and 6 minutes and 5 minutes. But awake time is, there you go, about 3 hours. It really knows exactly what you are trying to process. And there's the deep sleep here. And it will tell you, and it gives you a nice graph on how everything is happening when you're using this app itself. Now, that's not the only thing. You can also go to dynamic. You can click on it, and this will tell you more about your daily routine on what's happening. You can see that I have 2 days. You can go to day one and you can see more about it. And then day two, there you go. So you have more information. This will give you a lot more. And there you go. This one also going to tell you sleep deep. You know, it's really required to have more. And also right now what's happening. Also remember that I do not want to forget is that you have to charge this. So at least remember that, except that if you don't have a charge, it's not going to really do anything. And it's just going to be a little bit waste of time. But this is really cool app to play with. There's a lot of things in this. I know that I cannot cover everything in this video, but I have to mention a few things that this unit itself does not have any subscription fees, plus sleep, recovery, and HRV tracking. On top of that, this have a really nice, comfortable design, and it has a long battery life. All the links will be available in the bottom of this video, except that this was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.